Okie dokie, let's build a nice little account engagement email together. Something like this. So first we go to email templates. You have activated the drag and drop email builder, and we build a new template. Test template, let's call it that way. And public email templates will be the folder. And for the rest, we just save it because the real editing, the real fun starts here, edit in builder. So we start with a blank page. And what is the most important one? The background. So you always should choose light colors. This one is a little too gray. Let's add a little more blue here. This looks nicer. You can even make it a bit lighter even. So this looks good. And then for the component, we add an image, and we can select images that we previously uploaded. So we will add a logo here, add image, stands for CMS. And I'm going to add a nice logo here. Let's click save. Now this is too big. So we say it should be 20% of the page width, and the object fit should be scaled down, but this stays the same. And for position, let's say it should be on the left, and all the margins, 20 pixel, 20 pixel, 20, 20. So it's in the upper left corner. This looks good. We have added a logo. Now the next point is, let's add a header image. Let's see what we have in store in our Salesforce CMS. Maybe something educational here. This one is nice. Einstein sharing some of his wisdom and knowledge. So we use the drag and drop email builder and add some rich text. Luckily, I've already prepared some content here. So maybe this should have a larger size. Let's say 20. The rest of the text is 16 or the standard size. And from the style, again, this is very near to the border here. So let's add those 20 pixels everywhere here as well. 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, this looks good. So just if you're editing this yourself and you want to edit some merge fields like here, you can just click here, merge fields, and select recipient, first name. You know, that's where this one is added. Let's delete again because first name is fine. Maybe even let's change the margin on the top to 40 and at the bottom at 40 as well. So we have a little bit more room. And we will add another image, which will be the play button for a video. So add image, Salesforce CMS, and we add a thumbnail picture here we have prepared before. And this picture obviously has a big play button. So what we need to add still is the link URL to the video page. In this case, I've already prepared the link, but this can be obviously a video from on YouTube, Vimeo, or your website, so you can track the interactions there as well. And in addition to this video thumbnail, for those who don't see the big play button, we add another button here as well. And the button name will be Everybody's Demo Org. And we add the same URL as for the video here. Obviously, this needs some styling. So button color, let's add something more blue, and button size is fine. Button size, let's add some padding here, 15, 30, 15, and 30. And for position, it's at the center, and we add some margin here as well. Top and bottom 30 pixel and 10 on each side. So what did we forget? The corner radius should be 5 pixels, so it's a little bit smoother. Actually, we will need another column here because I want to set a different background. It's gonna be a little dark blue background, and we can drag and drop this text here. Obviously, we don't see anything when it's a dark text. So the color will be white, and boom, here we go. And again, styling, gonna be 20 the top, 20 here, 40 at the bottom, and left and right 20. I already prepared some of the footer text. It's still in black, and it has some links in there. So if we want to edit this one, we can also click source, and we will see that the unsubscribe link can be dynamically added by adding this unsubscribe word in those brackets. Let's maybe go to, if we select this link, we can click link, type URL title here, and then for link URL, we just add this unsubscribe thing. And if we double check in source, that's what's going to be added as link. So this looks good, maybe a little bit too big as it's just the footer. We can maybe even make it a bit smaller. All right, like that. And it's nice and small down here. One more thing, you see this white edge here. So let's get rid of this one as well. So you see this white piece here. Let's get rid of this as well. We just click on the background, and then on styling, and for body, we can set everything to 0. That looks good. And in the end, I still want to have a little bit of blue down here, so it looks like a box. And I copy this blue and add it down here. Background color. This looks good. And so it has actually some size. And we add another rich text down here, and we don't add any actual text, maybe just a blank, but 20, 20, 40, 20. So it has actual, some nice size, and it looks like this belongs to the background. So I just selected the background here. Alrighty, this looks like a pretty nice email. We can save it, go back, and if you want to do an actual send, we have created a template now that, let's double check, looks quite nice. Maybe we want to make a few adjustments here on the button. It's quite at the bottom, so it's again edit builder, and here in style for position, we maybe add some extra space. All right, we made our final adjustments. I'm not sure if we selected the link here already. Yes, we did. And then we can go back. The template is finished, but to do an actual email send in account engagement, we can go to email content, say new, and let's call this one test. And then we select the template we just created. So we select our test template, click save. And the email is created. What we can do down here, if we edit the text body, so this is basically taking the text from our HTML, and we can use this button, sync from HTML, confirm. So we have an up-to-date version of our text body. We set the subject, hey-ho, and save this. And if we actually want to do the sending, we go up here, click send, or activate for automation. And by that, it will be available in the Journey Builder. Or if you just want to send it directly, either directly now or for a scheduled send, or for Einstein optimized send. So Einstein send time optimization picks the right time for each and every prospect to best open the email. So we can use this as well. Obviously choose campaign, the recipient list, who's going to be the primary sender, reply to user, and then some completion actions. So for example, if the email was opened or if a link was clicked, then the scoring will be increased by 30, for example, if one of these links is opened. All right, I hope this was helpful. Little insight on how to easily build emails with account engagement. The drag and drop email builder is obviously really helpful. And bye-bye.